Imagine having a professional logo for your brand, crafted perfectly to your vision, all within a few clicks. Today, we are comparing 3 AI logo design tools that make this possible. Let's kick things off with Turbologo. Start by entering your company name, slogan, and industry. Next, select inspiration logos, colors, and icons that fit your brand's vibe. With just a click, watch as Turbologo generates stunning logo designs tailored to your inputs. Preview the options and pick the one that catches your eye. Need to make some adjustments? No problem. Replace the icon, change the font style, or tweak the background color to match your brand's identity. You can even preview your customized logo on business items like t-shirts, billboards, and visiting cards before downloading your masterpiece. Let's move on to Brandmark. Brandmark offers a streamlined process for creating a unique, professional logo in just a few steps. Start by entering your brand name, slogan, and some keywords that reflect your business. Choose a color style, and with a click, variety of logo options appear instantly. Pick your favorite design and click Edit to make it your own. Customize the font style, adjust the slogan size and boldness, browse through icons, tweak the background color, and rearrange the layout. Preview your design on branded items, and when you are ready, click Share to show off your new logo. Ready for another amazing option? Let's explore Looka. Begin by entering your brand name, picking your industry, and selecting a few logos that catch your eye. Next, choose your colors, add a slogan, and pick some symbols that resonate with your brand. Click Continue and watch as Looka brings your logo to life. Preview the generated logos and select one to customize further. Adjust the logo font, choose a new icon, and refine the slogan's font size and style. Change the background color to align with your brand's identity. You can preview your logo on various items like cards and t-shirts. And when you are satisfied, click Share to save and share your design. Wondering which tool is best for you? If you are looking for detailed customization options, Turbologo might be your best bet. For a quick professional look with a focus on brand-specific keywords, Brandmark is a great choice. And if you prefer an AI-powered experience with a sleek, modern design, Looka offers impressive results. Whichever tool you choose, you are just a few clicks away from a logo that perfectly represents your brand. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.